Okay.
Right?
Asma!
We are back at it again.
In exceptional fashion, folks, check out this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod, brought to you exclusively by professionals right here at Brooks Landscape, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality. And what we've done today is give this customer an amazing landscape transformation that took over 15 pallets to go from the front to the backyard, but it all got taken care of in just one day. And that's just due to the dedication and hard work of each and every one of the men that come out here, and they really do give their hearts and souls towards our customers to give them an amazing landscape transformation. And just to help you see what we've done in just one day, we put in over 15 pallets of beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod that allow for us to be able to not only take care of the front yard, but also have an opportunity to deal with the backyard. And it gave this customer an opportunity to take back the landscape. And that's the most important part when you start thinking about a Zeon Zoysia: drought tolerant, shade tolerant. It has the ability to take on a tremendous amount of foot traffic, and most importantly, it's able to continue to regrow itself. And so when you look at what we've been able to do on this landscape within a matter of just one day, it is a marvel of engineering when you think about the detail that goes into these amazing landscape transformations, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.